sun is out in full force. It's a hot day and everyone is loving it. Okay, catch you guys later.
Dao, it means thank you. And for those that don't know my story, I was born right in the middle of a 16-year war in Mozambique, a war that left millions of people dead and even more people displaced. So I had to flee as a refugee and I moved to Portugal and eventually came here. I'm sharing this not for any pity, but for the fact that I'm here. And I feel like my story is very similar to many of us that are here. The fact that we're here today is something that's worthy of a celebration. The fact that God gave us the opportunity to be upright, good human beings in society and to spread love, that's what it's about. And for that I give thanks. So this one is called Tabonga. I want to see your peace signs in the air. If you believe in justice for the whole of mankind, regardless of color, race or religion. 1, 2, oh yeah, so check. Let's go. Yes, I am get into it. Hell, my dreams like an Mexican. Kill the fears that I kept within. Now let my light shine so it all begin. Come a long way from barely existing. Pools in my home, we blessed to live in. Seen it, I've been but I need it healing. One of many children in a abandoned building. You know now about the life I'm in. Back down here, God truly exists. Could have been banked out, but on my wrist. But I guess God's plan kept blessing this shit. Higher power working through me. Grateful, happy and healthy. I'm feeling all the blessings all around me. Now I cherish all the blessings that I got. Oversight the purpose, and you know I won't flop. All around the clock, believe me, we don't stop. Prayers that I offer, you're reaching for the top. Young black, you know me. Legacy of kings. Refugee saints, seraphims on my team. Not a cliche, still follow on my queen. Lean us in the Tabonga. Only for things don't matter. Guerreiro de Moçambique, Tabonga, 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 yeah. Tabonga, Tabonga, yeah. In this world, I want to hear you guys make some noise. Alla deu tudo que tem, paz e amor é viveiro. Às vezes o tempo é que dura, acreditar Deus ajuda. Em Moçambique, Portugal, no Reino Unido hoje somos tal. Essa minha mãe não é normal. Cheio me pede sair do mar. Tabonga,
And to find out a little bit more about this wonderful show, please welcome the Head of Communication, Claudia. Assalamu alaikum, Trafalgar Square, A-star to you all. Thank you so much for a wonderful host, for having me here and for allowing me to have your attention for a couple of minutes. I just want to talk to you a little bit about Islamic Relief, who we are and what we do. But firstly, I just want to say congratulations to all of you for coming out, because it is such a wonderful day. I hope you are all enjoying it. I hope you're all making the most of it. There is an Islamic Relief stall at the back, and an Islamic Relief stall over to the side, so I hope you've had the chance to go and check out the stalls. And I hope you've had a chance to check out everything that's happening here. I'm really, really pleased to be here. It's such a fantastic.
I feel like it's a collective anxiety, especially amongst Muslim women and visibly Muslim women, that you don't want to stand too close to the track. So this poem is about that. It's called Noisy. And again, I'd love you to join in with me. So when I lift my hand, could you please clap once? So just one clap together. Can we try that? Okay, let's look. From facts. It gets noisy. Scraping back headlines from facts. It gets noisy. Did you notice? I don't stand too close to the track. It gets noisy. Rolling through a black hole of opinion. You must need saving. Let my nakedness liberate you. Let me translate your pain into English. She thinks we are crying in Oprastani. when we're kissing our teeth in hijabi, laughing in niqabi, it gets noisy. Every time there's an attack, we feel it twice. The sick of the loss and fear of the bite back. When you're a flag for something you never stood for, those who don't know will talk tunnels around who you are and never ask. That's how you paint a monster in your mind's eye. Take all the louds of your hate, let it clump like a sigh until your hands are pus that touch a woman you don't know. The real veils are mental. The real veils are mental. The real veils. Did you notice? It gets noisy. I never stand too close. Did you notice? It gets noisy. I never stand too close. Did you notice? It gets noisy. I never stand too close at the platform. I don't dance with death on the yellow line. I never stand there. I never stand there. Thank you.